Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to expand off of the quarantine beginner lesson, number 6. And what we're going to do, we're going to expand on that a little bit. Once again, this is a beginner lesson. And so what we're going to do now is create a pull-off. And how you do that is, so we're going to start on string number 1, and we're going to play the 3rd fret, 3rd finger, and we're going to pull it off so you pluck it. Okay, so watch. Same thing, string 2, we're going to pluck it. That's fret 2 to open on the 3rd string. Okay, so it's good to watch Quarantine Beginner Lessons number 6 to understand this fully. Okay, so here's what we got. Pull off on string 1, fret 3. Pull off on string 2, fret 3. Same thing on string 3. We're going to do a pull off, but this is going to be fret 2, plucking, and we're going to end on our E note. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to continue along with the same kind of thinking as the previous lesson, and what we're going to do is we're going to pull off each and every note to our pedal point. See, there's our E. Now if you watch lesson number 6, Quarantine Beginner lesson number 6, you'll see what I'm talking about. We're going to change from 2 chords from your E minor to your D. Okay? And so here we go. Okay? So the first time we went to the E note, which is our root, and the pedal point of the first chord progression. Well, chord, 2 measures. And then what we're doing for the second 2 measures, we're shooting for our D note, okay? And so here it goes, the whole thing. When you're playing an E minor chord, like on that lesson number 6, okay, D note. All right? So if you play along to those chords, if you play to the end of Quarantine lesson number 6, I do a little jam there where I just play the chord so you can play along to. So here's how that would go. On the E minor chord, which is 2 measures, you'd go like this. And you go to the D note. And you change back and forth. Okay, now an alternative, there's alternatives for both of these, but since last time I rested on the 4th string open for the D note, you could do this. Okay, that's on the D chord, okay, which is 2 measures. So if you play along with that jam, this is an opportunity for you to use these riffs and play along with that jam track that I provided for you on lesson 6. So once again, you have the E note, then you have the D note, D note alternative, okay, so you can use either one of those. Sure, with the E you can use either one as well, but this is a great E note to rest on for beginners because it's a great resting place when you're playing in the key of E. Now for you beginners that are getting familiar with your pull-offs, here's a great exercise you can use to develop your hand strength, and of course we'll add dynamics to your solos. And what you want to do is you want to play string 1, pull off, string 2, pull off, string 3 on the 2nd fret, pull off, string 4, 2nd fret, pull off, string 5, 2nd fret, pull off, string 6. Okay, this is an exercise, and this is, you can use this for soloing, but this is a great way to develop your fingers. That's finger finger strength, and in the future, it's going to be great for dynamics for your solo. All right, so there you go. There's a great way to develop riffs and licks for you beginners. Have a great day. Subscribe.